Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium on song. First, familiarize yourself with your harmonium's components, such as the bellows, which provide air, and the keys, which produce sound. Proper posture is crucial. Sit upright with both feet flat on the floor. Place your hands gently over the keyboard, ensuring your fingers are curved. Begin with simple finger exercises, like playing 5 consecutive notes up and down, to develop essential dexterity and coordination. Next, delve into the foundational elements of music, scales and chords. Begin by mastering major and minor scales, as these form the backbone of most melodies. For example, the C major scale consists of 8 notes. Then, learn basic 3-note chords, such as C major or G minor, which are perfect for accompanying a singer. Practice transitioning between these chords smoothly, aiming for a seamless flow in your playing. Now, let's combine what you have learned to play a song. Start by identifying the song's melody and its underlying chord progression. Typically, your right hand will play the melody, focusing on clear and expressive articulation of each note. Simultaneously, your left hand will provide the harmonic foundation by playing the appropriate chords. This two-hand coordination is key to creating a rich and full sound. Consistent practice is paramount for improvement. Begin with simpler songs, perhaps those with only 3 or 4 chords, and gradually challenge yourself with more complex pieces. Pay close attention to the original song's rhythm, tempo, and emotional nuances to capture its essence. Recording your practice sessions can be incredibly helpful, allowing you to objectively assess your playing and pinpoint areas needing refinement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.